Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML CSS for beginners to advanced. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS comments. So what is CSS comment? CSS comments are not displayed in the browser, but they can help document your source code. In which manner? Let's say for instance now, you have a lot of code and the code is so long. Let me show you example right here. Let's say we have this long code, this long codes right here. We have different type of code right here. So the comment, everything you see that is in between this star, this slash star and star slash is the comment. Everything like this inside your style sheet, anything. So and also we can have it inside this one also. Let me show you comment. Let's say for instance now we have anything like we have a lot of things like this inside your external file. Anything you specify like this, slash, can you see it's turned to green? So when you check your document, anything from here will not be applied to the document again. Can you see? So anything in between this slash star and star slash is what they call comments. So in our next tutorial, we are going to be discussing about how we can use this in a reasonable way. So just to do something nice to our document. So just let's get going. Anwar Akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Until the next. Bye.